out of the lily pads, fool. Oh, that's dirty. Oh. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Oh, that was dirty. Alright, alright. Oh, come on, man. Little 5-2 to 1 isn't gonna get it, I don't think. Come on. Alright, so I can't believe I didn't turn the camera on for this. Literally the first cast with a sticko, I got a fish. Alright folks, make a couple casts here so we can't scare something up from the deeps. Well, that's the Senko I was using today. Got several on them. These things don't last very long. Anyways, I'm gonna pack up and head out of here. A little bit of a walk back to my truck.
Alright, there's like no battery left, so we'll get this done quick. I went and picked this bag up yesterday. It is a Browning fishing bag. It holds quite a bit of stuff right in here. Holds 4 boxes worth of nonsense. It's kind of a pain to get it out. You kind of have to take them in and out from the middle because the top and bottom one are almost impossible to get out when there's all 4 in there. Over in here, I just keep some fluoro and some extra line. Over in this pocket here, keep all my GoPro and camera nonsense. Obviously my sunscreen and bug repellent that you need here. Inside here is a cooler bag. I got a couple waters in there with some of these cooler blocks, and then my worm bag is in there as well. These straps right here, I put the fishing rods in those and it holds them upright, and so I just walk with those. But yeah, let me strap those up and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I just strap it in like that. Holds them upright, which you know, you got to make sure you're walking under low cover. But yeah, I'm gonna suck down one of these waters, get back to my truck and grab my wife and do some more fishing later.
Oh, God. Come on, man.